Take me somewhere far away from here, from here. Take me somewhere far away from here, from here. Okay, so recently I got this backpack and it's Cinnamoro themed, right? It was kind of expensive, but look how cute. Oh, I added this Kuromi keychain, but it comes with like a bow. I forgot to do an unboxing, so we're just gonna look at it. Like, the thing is, the straps are too long for me. Like, it's, how do you say it? It's at like the tightest it can be, but I still need it to be like maybe like this much. I don't know. I want to like poke holes in it, but at the same time, I'm kind of a wimp and I don't want to break it. It was kind of expensive. And like, and then the inside has like, here. You can see the Cinnamoro print. And yeah, it's very simple, very cute. And then I'm matching with my friend, so that's, it's a bonus. Am I supposed to mix it? Should I mix it?
Yeah.
I don't know. These honeycombs are big.
Your video skills,
It's great. What do you mean?
You're shaking.
It's okay. There's stabilization, I think, with iPhones.
It's not bad. I kind of just wish the honeycomb was in the drink.
It'll melt.
But it's pretty good.
It'll melt after 3 hours.
I quite like it. Oh wait. Ugh.
You didn't even get any cream.
Oh no, it's kind of hard. It's like tough.
You don't like it.
It's so hard. I don't know. Wait, but cream puffs are supposed to be soft?
I don't know. That's they're not hard.
I don't really like the sesame.
You just got the wrong flavor. You're too late.
So,
Too late to get the tea flavors.
I just want that for you. Can't get over this backpack. It's so cute. I'm so short. You can't even. Hello. I'm back, and yeah, I ended up buying the green jacket. It's super cute. I love, okay, when I see balloon sleeves, I can't like help it. I need it. And the color, I actually don't have a hoodie this color, or I don't really normally wear this color, but it kind of looks great, like against my skin tone. I don't know, it looks so good. I didn't think green can be my color, but I guess this color I can wear. Anyways, let me show you what else I got today. Okay, so this is my print haul. So, oh my god, it was so embarrassing. So like, or I felt embarrassed, but so I got these, and then I walked away, and then I decided to get the big one of this, even though I already have this smaller print. It's up there, I don't know if you can see, but it's up there, and like I just couldn't, like, I'm a fucking simp, like I couldn't let Shao go. Like he looks good. I love this like streetwear aesthetic and like skaterboard aesthetic, and this looks so freaking good, especially like on this big size, like compare my head. But like as I was walking home, it's so windy that like it bent. So I'm trying to like bend it back, and this will be going under one of my old LSAT books. And then I have this. So I bought from her before in one of my previous vlogs, and I ordered online, and then she announced that she was going to be at one of like the artist fairs at Japantown. So then I just had to go again, like back to Japantown, so I can buy her stuff, because I'm not a big fan of paying for shipping. So I just went and I got more. And she had like a lot of stuff that wasn't in her online store, so that made me happy, very, very happy. I was very satisfied. Like, I love her art. This is her business card. Wait, let me just pull up the hoodie. So this is her business card, and it's Megumi from JJK, and then wait, here, let me do the cool influencer thing. I don't know if this actually helps focus, but you have the front, and then you have the back. And honestly, even her business card's aesthetic. I really, really like her stuff. Like, it's been so long since like I found an artist that I like this much. So then I bought, so here, let's just go through the ones I bought, and then we'll go through the freebie, because it was like what, buy 3 buy 4 and then get one free. But okay, so she does so much JJK art, and like JJK has been my latest obsession. Like, I read the manga and my soul hurt. Like the Shibuya arc, oof. Just, you gotta read it, guys, you gotta read it. The anime was honestly the first season of the anime was just mid, but like the manga, I'm excited for season 2. Season 2 is where it's gonna be at. Okay, anyways, I got this set. So then it's like botanical themed of Gojo, Megumi, and what's his face, Itadori, Setsuna, whatever. So Gojo is so, it can't, he's oh. Then we have the here Megumi one. Honestly, this one was the one that caught my eye, like the dogs, like. And then we have the Dory one. I think I'm gonna put them like in a row down, so then they can, like, you know. And then I got my baby Chifuyu. I fucking love Tokyo Revengers. I read that too, or I caught up, and then I read the manga, 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 and then I re I'm not like caught up because things happened and I got sad. But Chibiu, best boy. I also really like Mikey, but Chibiu, I just had to get him. Look how soft he looks. And then he has a little Vajin keychain, like he's so soft. And once again, I am a simp. We'll take like, I think that's been already established. And then we have Gojo and Geta. Well, I forgot his name already. It's like I read, but I don't remember their names. Like I feel like with manga, it's like so visual, right? So then you're just like, oh, it's that guy with, you know, the white hair, or oh, look, it's that guy. He was Gojo's like past teammate or friend, you know, that kind of stuff. So like sometimes I don't remember their names. Like honestly, it took me so long to remember Itadori's name. I remember, was his name even Setsuna? I remember Setsuna, and then I don't remember Itadori. But I don't even know if that's no, I'm bad on names. But anyways, I got this. This is very, I love, like, I don't know, just this aesthetic. And this one matches the Yuta one I have up there, so they're obviously gonna go next to each other. And then I got this freebie. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't even play this game, but like Xiao has my heart, and I just really like anime boys in streetwear. Like there's something about that style and streetwear. I don't know. But yeah, that's my haul. I'm probably gonna hang them up. Maybe I'll vlog hanging them up. But it's hard, like hanging them up, because I'm so short and my desk is right here. I gotta lean over the desk, and I don't like to. It's tough. It's tough, and I don't really exercise, so it's worse. But yeah, now I'm gonna go flatten my shell print. And yeah, well, I don't know if this is gonna be end of the vlog. So if it is, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please wait, what is it? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like, if you guys wanna, you know, follow me on Insta. I'm trying to grow it. It's been really difficult. And yeah, thanks. Finally at IKEA.
Yeah. Your love is such a sweet addiction. Can't stop craving for more attention. You can hurt me once and I'll love you twice as much. I can't wait for you to haunt me. Pheromones in the air with wine. Only time our minds are aligned. As you drown out your sadness, I'll show you my greatest weaknesses. Getting by is a boost right now. Don't even know.
This area is kind of cringe. This is kind of cringy. This is kind of cringy. I do like those lights, but this is kind of cringy.
We could give it taken just as I was still end up in a fight. Yeah, always thought it would both lay on the bed side by side. Well, I guess not, but I still can't seem to let you go. 'Cause your love is such a sweet addiction. Can't stop craving for more attention. You can hurt me once and I'll love you twice as much. I can't wait for you to haunt me. Do you really wanna slow down to wait? That we should go separate ways. This Doesn't matter what they say, it's just you and me at the end of the day. Just know whenever you start to feel low, I'll be there for you, even though I should probably let you go. But your love is such a sweet addiction. Can't stop craving for more attention. You can hurt me once and I'll love you twice as much. I can't wait for you to haunt me. Seems like I'm getting true. It's like we never knew what was best for us. Was this the best for us?
See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please wait, what is it? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And like, if you guys want to, you know, follow me on Insta. I'm trying to grow it. It's been really difficult. And yeah, thanks.